Hello again, I'm Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another mini video review. This one is on the Scorch SolBat 2. SolBat stands for solar battery. This is the solar charger and backup battery. These things are very, very convenient because, well, you can supply power to a battery like, for example, a battery in a smartphone or an iPhone or really any device, and, you can do it with this battery backup. Now the packaging on this is quite good. It tells you everything about the product. This is important if you are picking this up in store. If you're not a big deal. And by the way, the battery in this is 1,500 milliamps. This is a lithium ion rechargeable battery. It has a status LED showing the charge of the battery. You can also mount this to your windshield. Now we get mounted this way with the solar panel pointing outwards, so of course you could charge the device quite easily. So let's unpack this little device and have a closer look. There are 4 suction cups included. This is to mount it to a windshield or a window or somewhere where you can charge it via the sun. This is a universal clip. They include a USB cable and a quick installation guide. And of course, the battery. Now let's have a closer look at this. It has a high gloss black finish. Can't say I like this because it will attract dust and fingerprints quite easily, but it seems that most devices these days have a black high gloss finish, so I'm just going to have to get used to it. Now there are a number of different LED indicators here, one for the battery. Now you can see that there are 4 different LEDs, and each one is 25%, showing the battery life left in the device. You can also see there's an in and an out LED. In means it's charging, and out means it's connected to a device, and basically, there's power going out when it's connected to a device from the battery, and if you're charging it, well, so to speak, there's power going in and the battery is being charged. And if you're wondering what this little button is to the left of all of these indicators, it's just basically a status LED button so you can check the status of the battery. There's a hole for either a lanyard or you can use their included clip if you want to. Nice, because you can attach this, like for example, to a book bag or anywhere else really. Now they have this clear kind of clip on the back. This can pop off, and by the way, the clip actually has rubber feet so you can lodge it down. Also, there's provision for the suction cups to be installed, one here and one at the bottom. They include 4 suction cups, so if you lose one, not a big deal at all. You can just put another one back in. And by the way, again, this would get mounted up onto a window or the windshield of the car so the sun can get at it. Now I believe it looks like they have a plastic coating. Yes, they do. And I'll remove that. Now this is where you would charge the device using the included USB cable. So this is the in, and this is the out, where you would connect the device that you need to power. And at the back is the solar panel. Now remember, you have a choice. You can charge this device using the solar panel. That will take around 4 to 5 hours, and around 4 hours, a little less, when you use the USB connection. Now, if you want to use this battery backup for an iPod or iPhone, no problem. They have this charge and sync cable for iPods and iPhones. If you have an iPod, iPhone, MP3 player, BlackBerry, Android device, and so many other small little tiny devices, then, well, this product is a must have. If you've ever run out of power, well, it's very frustrating. If it is a device like a smartphone or some kind of work device and you need to get that information sent out, this is truly a godsend, and it probably will save you a lot of time and money and hassle if you have something like this in your backpack or attached to your backpack or in your pocket or in your car or whatever. Carry it everywhere you go, just in case, because we all know at some point that device will run out of power. You will not have a charger with you. You probably don't want to go ahead and buy a charger. This is one of these devices that most of us can actually use. Overall, this is a kick-ass product. Until next time, take care.